We, at TPL, are implementing Project Neve to establish an SAP ecosystem with harmonized applications, integrated processes, and innovative automation. As part of the project, we are moving from HAPE to SAP Concur to optimize your experience related to travel and expense bookings, hence, empowering you to manage your travel, expense, and site impressed seamlessly. This video provides an overview of SAP Concur and what it has to offer. Let's take a look at the conversation between Anisha, a project manager, and Vishal from the admin team at TPL. Anisha has a crucial meeting to attend at a project site. She went through an elaborate process of selecting a preferred flight option. Upon her return, she is spending significant time submitting her expense report. Vishal notices this and starts a conversation.
Hi Anisha, how was the trip to the project site?
Hello Vishal. It was very productive but a bit tiring. Initially, I faced some issues while booking a flight for my travel. The process took longer than expected. And now, I need to spend some dedicated time to submit all the expenses incurred during the trip.
Oh, I am sorry to hear about your experience. But I have some good news for you.
Oh, okay. What's the good news?
TPL is implementing SAP Concur, an integrated online travel and expense management system. It will automate the entire travel process right from raising a request to making a booking as well as managing our travel and non-travel expenses. Concur offers us option to self-book for domestic travel flight and accommodation, flexibility to manage and modify travel plans seamlessly, allows for paperless approvals, comes with a mobile app for raising requests and approval.
Wow! That sounds efficient. Tell me more about Concur's self-service feature.
The self-service feature will let you book your preferred domestic flights, both single and round trip. Also, you can select your accommodation from the host of hotel inventory available on Concur. This means less dependency on the agency and more options at your fingertips.
Fantastic! And I read somewhere there's a mobile app available?
Ah yes. With the Concur mobile app, you will be able to submit travel requests, add expenses and upload receipts from your phone.
That's great.
Absolutely. Moreover, Concur will also make the entire process for Site Impressed easier and faster. There will be single login on Concur for site advances and expenses. It will allow invoice itemization, easy allocation and tracking of expenses with GST breakup available.
Wonderful! When will Concur be available to us?
It'll be available for us to use starting the 1st of January 2024. Do look out for further communication and trainings.
Thanks Vishal. Looking forward to using Concur.